Welcome to course on surveying, the art of determining the relative position of objects on the surface of Earth by taking the measurement in horizontal and vertical planes. Types: plane surveying, curvature of the Earth not taken into consideration, area is less than 250 km square on Earth, arc suspended chord zero point 0.1 meter at 18.2 km. Similarly, sum of angles of a spherical triangle plane triangle is 1 second only at 195.5 km square. Geodetic surveying, great environmental, great trigonometrical surveying, curvature of the earth is taken into consideration when area is greater than 250 km square, adopted where degree of accuracy required is great. Level: land survey, cadastral survey to determine the boundary lines, engineering survey to determine and collecting data for design of engineering works, reconnaissance survey for determining feasibility, that is the is possible is possible within the limits and rough cost of the scheme, preliminary survey for collecting more data to choose best location for work, location survey for setting out work on the ground, preliminary survey work from whole to part, fix the position of new station by at least two independent processes, scales representation factor RF is distance on map upon distance on ground, that is representation of engineer's scale 1 centimeter is meter into fractional form as 1 in 500. Vernier scale: in vernier, fixed scale is primary scale and movable scale is vernier scale. Least count vernier is the smallest division of main scale upon number of division of vernier scale. Wrong scale: if by mistake measurement is taken by wrong scale, then true length is wrong scale upon correct scale times measured length. Similarly, true area is wrong scale upon correct scale whole square into measured area. Measured distance pacing by pedometer, by number of paces, that is walks. One pace is 80 centimeter. Chaining by chain or tape, chain man at forward end at leader, chain man at rear end follower. Instrument used in chaining: chain 4 mm 5 and length is 200 meter mm. Chain Gunters or surveyor chain 66 feet, engineers chain 100 feet, metric chain 20 to 30 meter or 100 to 150 links. Arrows: dia is 4 mm and length is 400 mm. Chain is 10 arrows. Tape: inward tape has low coefficient of thermal expansion, nickel and steel, hence used for accurate measurement. Line ranger used for fixing intermediate points on the chain lines, mainly used for making straight lines, called ranging. Errors in measurement: accuracy, degree of conformity of measurement to its true value. Precision, degree of conformity of repeated measurement. Theory of probability is applied to random errors, accidental errors. Compensating error is directly proportional to under root L, occur in either ends only because of single measurement, do not affect seriously on survey work. Cumulative error is directly proportional to L, occurs through direction because of continuous measurement. If the tape is 10 meter, measurement 100 meter and 1 meter, the cumulative error is 10 into zero point 0.1 is 1 meter, hence it is seriously affects the on survey work. making measurements more than actual, hence error is positive and correction is negative and vice versa. Hypotenuse Levens 100 upon sec theta minus 1. 100 into sec theta minus 1. It is indirect method if you need to find the distance ED, but it is not possible due to the single obstruction. By forming a right angle triangle, measured AD, number of chains, example 5.3 chain AD, then AD is 5.3 chain plus 5.3 into 100 into sec theta minus 1, links here 100 sec theta minus 1 is BC shown in the figure. Correction for slope. In this case you need to find out AB, hence AB is AB prime plus CH, where CH is L minus under root of L square minus H square. Exact is equals to H square upon twice L approximately is equals to L times 1 minus cos theta if theta is known. Correction for tape. Absolute length CA plus minus C capital L upon L. Tape shrink its measurement less than actual, hence the error is positive and correction is negative and correction is positive and vice versa. Temperature CT, alpha, change in temperature measured minus standard into L, depends on the temperature at site uh, at higher temperature, and Tm is less than Ts. Tape elongated, then the measured actual CT positive, pull Cp plus minus P minus Pb into L upon Ae, higher pull tape elongated and Cp positive, lower pull tape sagged Cp negative, but by sagging tape again elongated. Sag Cs is L upon 24 W upon P whole square, or L cube upon 24 W upon P square. W is kilonewton, W in kilonewton per meter. Due to the self weight of tape and wire, it should be elongated. L upon 24 W L upon P whole square, where L is the measured length of line in field, small l is the nominal length of tape, C is the correction or tape length, C A is the correction or whole length of line, Tm is the temperature at field during measurement, Ts is the standard temperature 27 degrees centigrade, alpha is the coefficient of thermal expansion per degree centigrade, P is the pull applied during measurement in Newton, Ps is the standard pull of 100 Newton, A is cross section area of the tape 20 mm into 2 meter 2 mm. E is the modulus of elasticity Newton per mm square. Chain surveying. Measurement is made directly in the field. No angular measurement are taken. Principle of chain surveying is triangulation. Most accurate triangle is equilateral triangle. Well conditioned and well shaped triangle. Theta is not less than 30 degree and not greater than 120 degree. Theta is an element of 30 to 120. Equilateral triangle is best example. Baseline, the longest chain line used as a reference or direct for making survey. Check line, lines joining the apex of triangle to opposite side line, used to check the accuracy of survey. Tie line, joining fixed tie station on the main survey lines. It also checks the accuracy of survey, mainly to locate the interior details and to know the property of interior points. Tie lines is used. Offset, lines drawn from baseline to the object to fix the new station as direct reference. Perpendicular offset, theta is 90 degree. Oblique or tie line offset situation demands theta is not equal to 90 degree, short offset is less than 15 meter, long offset is greater than 15 meter. Check line, main line, offset line, oblique offset, baseline, tie line is shown in the figure. Beautifully, have a look. Instruments for setting out right angles, open cross staff for perpendicular offsets not much accurate, French cross staff offset at 45 degree, adjustable cross staff adjusted at any angle, optical square most accurate and uh, to make perpendicular offsets long and short is shown in the figure. Now, which works on the principle of reflection of reflecting instrument. Angle between the incident ray and the last reflected ray is 2 times the angle between the mirror surface. For optical square, angle between the mirror surface is 45 degree. Therefore, angle between the intersecting ray and last reflected ray is 2 times 45 is 90 degree. Horizontal horizon glass H, half silvered for incident ray, half silvered for reflecting ray. Index glass I is fully silvered, fully reflecting, no penetration for glass. Other glass of reflecting instrument line. Now line ranger, box sextant and prismatic compass. Compass surveying. Surveyor's compass needle acts as index, graduated ring attached to box. Graduations are in quadrantal bearing. Graduating indicates same angle with north and south. A tripod is mandatory engineering purpose. Surveyor's compass is used. Now, prismatic compass. It's a general purpose compass and needle does not act as index. Graduated ring attached to needle. Graduations are in whole circle bearing. Graduations indicate only north reference angle. Tripod is not mandatory. General purpose also have hand sized. Median and bearing. Median, the reflected line used for making angles. Bearing, angle made by the meridian. Magnetic meridian, the direction line passing through north and south of a freely suspended and properly balanced magnetic needle unaffected by the local attraction force. Magnetic meridian. True or geographical meridian, the line passing through the Earth's real north and south azimuth phi is not greater than 180 degree. The smaller angle made by the true north. Example, bearing of line 275 degree, azimuth 360 minus 275 is 85 degree. Bearing of line 102 degree, azimuth 102 degree. True bearing, the angle made by the true meridian. Bearing line 275, true bearing is 275 degree for with north clockwise, 85 degree with north anti-clockwise. 275 minus 180 equals 95 with south clockwise. 365 minus 95, 165 degree with south anti-clockwise. Magnetic declination or declination, the angle which the magnetic meridian makes with the true meridian or north declination. It may coincide at equator. Declination changes with place and time is shown in the figure. Local attraction, magnetic needle disturbed by external forces like Earth's magnetism surrounding metals, magnets, etc. The angle of disturbance is called a local attraction angle dip due to Earth's measurement. Earth's magnetic intensity, the freely suspended magnetic needle, indicates inclines downward. Dip theta, dip 0 degree at equator, 90 degree at magnetic poles, arbitrary or assumed bearing. The angle made by the assumed permanent fixed well-known meridian line. Designation of bearing: whole circle bearing, angle made by the magnetic north in clockwise direction. Reduced bearing, shortest angle made by the magnetic north or south. Whole circle bearing 150 degree, reduced bearing south 30 degree east, 220 degree whole circle bearing south 40 degree west, 42 degree north, 42 degree east, shown in the figure 2. Fore bearing and back bearing. Fore bearing, magnetic bearing of the follower's view. Back bearing, magnetic bearing of the leader's view. In whole circle bearing system, fore bearing minus back bearing is 180 degree. In quadrantal bearing system, fore bearing is in north theta east and back bearing is south theta west. That is, north changes to south and east and west interchanges. Note: fore bearing of PQ is back bearing of QP, or back bearing of PQ is fore bearing of QP. Maximum permissible difference of fore bearing and back bearing is 15 second. Oh, sorry, it's 15 minute. That is 15 minutes. Theodolite traverse, transit theodolite. Telescope revolved through a complete revolution about its horizontal axis in vertical plane. Non-transit theodolite. Telescope not revolved. Axis of telescope. Axis above which the telescope may be rotated. Line joining eyepiece. Crosshair. Line joining. Line of collimation. Line passing through eyepiece. Crosshair. Optical center of object is line of collimation. Transit or plunging or reversing, turning telescope through 180 degree about its supported axis, that is horizontal axis. Magnification: it is the nature of clear visibility of object depends on eyepiece adjust focal length of clear visibility. Angle of telescope to line of collimation must coincide for clear visibility, that is at low magnification of telescope produce bright image. Definition: the capacity of telescope of producing sharp image. Brightness of image is directly proportional to 1 upon magnification square is directly proportional to definition. Size of telescope: 10 centimeter theodolite means diameter of graduated ring of its lower plate is 10 centimeter. Balancing of traverse: Bowditch compass rule. Correction of the departure minus ex into length of that line upon perimeter of transverse. Transit rule. Correction of to the departure minus epsilon x plus numerical departure of that line, arithmetic sum of all departures. Similarly for latitude. Now, traversing: closed and open traversing mainly done by surveyor's compass, quadrantal bearing and north-south with a tripod for engineering purpose. Remember? Good. Closed traverse. Sum of interior angles is n minus 2, 180 degree. Sum of exterior angles n plus 2, 180 degree. Error of closure not greater than 1 second, 1 minute into under root n. Circular curve. Tangent length BT1 equals BT2 equals r tan theta upon 2. Length of long chord T1 T2 is twice r sin theta upon 2. Length of curve L theta into r radian equals phi r theta upon 180 degree. Apex distance BD equals r sec theta upon 2 minus 1. Mid ordinate r times 1 minus cos theta upon 2 is shown in the figure. Degree of curve is 1718.9 upon r, where r is the radius. Now offset from tangent y is r minus under root of r square minus x square is equals to x square upon twice r approximate. Latitudes and departure. Departure and horizontal distance is L sin theta. Latitude vertical distance is L cos theta. Quadrantal bearing of theta is tan inverse plus minus departure upon plus minus latitude. Coordinate system L is equals to under root of x square minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Theta is tan inverse x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. Error of closure in closed traverse for imperfectly closed traverse. Departure plus minus ex. Summation of latitude is plus minus ey. Closure error in closure e under root of ex square plus ey square. Angle of error of closure theta tan inverse plus minus ex upon ey for perfectly closed traverse. Summation of latitude equals theta and summation of departure equals 0. Leveling. The level surface parallel to the curvature of the earth, that is mean spheroidal surface of the earth. Level line on the level surface, horizontal surface, tangential surface plane to the level surface, horizontal line, tangential line to the level line. Vertical surface plane normal to the level surface, vertical line normal to the level line, that is plumb line. Datum surface or datum level surface, which is taken as the reference surface for determination of elevation of various points. Most commonly used datum mean sea level MSL Mumbai, elevation of point reduced level RL, the vertical distance above or below the datum benchmark. The fixed reference point is known of known elevation. Field leveling. Backside or plus site. The first reading taken after level setup is backside. Foresight FS or minus site. The last reading taken after level setup. Intermediate site IS, reading after BS and before FS. Change point CP, the point denoting the shifting of level. Example A to B, both backside and foresight are noted, hence B is the change point. Height of instrument HI, elevation of line of sight with respect to assumed datum. RL of A, RL of B, backside and foresight. Height of instrument is RL of A plus backside. RL of B is height of instrument minus foresight. Fall is RL of A minus RL of B positive. Rise RL of A minus RL of B negative. Arithmetic check. Summation of backside minus summation of foresight is equals to summation of rise minus summation of fall equals last RL minus first RL. Correction for long leveling. Horizontal line, level line, CC, center of curvature. equals 0.0785 d square. Refracted line, refracted line. So center of curvature, center of refraction, correct curvature and reaction, combined correction for curvature and reaction. So is shown in the figure. Loop closure or misclosure. Example, if the point known RL is 109.37 meter, and for the same point by making method measured RL is 100.34 meter, hence there is a misclosure. Loop closure E, measured RL minus known RL of same point, correction for each point C is equals to minus of E upon N, since N is number of change point plus 1. Reciprocal leveling, since there is an obstruction like pond between two stations, difference in the level can be seen in the figure. Difference of the level between A and B, delta H, is A1 minus B1 plus A2 minus B2 upon 2, or B1 minus A1 plus B2 minus A2 upon 2. Now combined error E is B1 minus A1 minus B2 minus A2 upon 2. Here E is the collimation error plus curvature error CC minus refraction error CR. Collimation error E minus 0.0673 d square. Contouring, line joining the points having same elevation above the datum surface. Flat ground, widely spaced; steep ground, closely spaced; uniform slope, uniformly spaced; plane surface, straight, parallel and equally spaced. Vertical cliff coincide, hence horizontal equivalent becomes 0. Overhanging cliff merge, crosses one another. Hill, higher value inside; ridge, higher value outside. Contour lines cross ridge or valley line at 90°, that is right angle. Spacing of cross section in hilly country is 20 meter. Plane table surveying, the method of surveying in which the field work and plotting are done simultaneously, adopted at great accuracy, not considered, such as topographical survey, particularly advantageous in magnetic areas. Alidate, the straight edge focused instrument in plane table surveying. Plane alidate, it only focuses horizontal views, hence only measured horizontal distance. Telescopic alidate, it rotates, hence released in both vertical and horizontal views, so it measures both horizontal and vertical distance. Method of plane tabling, following are the methods of plane tabling. While radiation, drawing ray from the table station to the focused station and point out the station by measuring distance. Intersection, mainly to known to know the inaccessible points by intersecting rays. Here C is incompressible point due to obstruction. Traversing, it is like compass traversing, hence we need to destroy all lines or minimum lines. Other distance may find by intersection or by mathematical calculation. Resection, it is the reverse process of tabling to fix the station by already drawn views to check the accuracy. This method is used to establish the instrument station only. Resection. Tachyometric surveying, the branch of surveying in which horizontal and vertical distance measured by tachyometer by taking leveling staff, level reading on staff, and the distance are measured by adopting its lens properties. It is also used in leveling. Distance of from tachometer to staff D is F upon I into S plus F plus D, where S is the staff reading, F upon I is the multiplying constant 100, F upon D additive constant equals 30 minus 40 meter 0, then additional lens provided on telescope. Electromagnetic distance measurement (EDM), highly accurate instrument to measure the distance and angles. It measures an accurate of 1 upon 10 to the power 5 meter or zero point 0.1 mm up to 100 kilometer. Refractive index ratio N. Velocity of electromagnetic waves in vacuum upon velocity of electromagnetic waves in atmosphere. C upon V is the refractive index ratio. Now C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and N is greater than 1, depends upon temperature, atmospheric condition and humidity. Methods of contouring. Direct method. The points level in the field are directly taken by total station level suitable for definite small areas. Indirect method, by intersecting the spot level taken on field on from office. By method, this method is cheaper, quicker, but not much accurate. The method by squares. The land is divided into small squares, intersect. Positive level are taken by interpolation. Contours are found suitable for broad area by cross section. For long narrow strips, level taken and each cross section suitable for road, railway, canal, etc. by tachometer. By using total station level are taken for different regions, most suitable for hilly regions, and at 20-meter cross-section intervals. Interpolation of contours by the estimation of arithmetic by estimation by arithmetic calculation by graphical method. By arithmetical calculation is best for small region and highly accurate. And here we conclude our course. Hope you like it, and do give your valuable feedback. Keep revising, and all the best for your examination. Have a good day.